morning class 3. Welcome to computer class. I am your teacher Nitish Kumar. So this is our second video for class 3. Today we read our chapter number 2, more on Windows 10. So first of all we want to understand what is the Windows 10. So Windows 10 is an operating system. Windows 10 is an operating system and it is also known as system software. It is very important for our system. So what is an operating system? An operating system is a software that manages the computer hardware and software resources. Operating system manages all the hardware and softwares. Okay, for manage all the hardware and software we need the operating system. Without operating system we can't operate our PC. For operating our PC we need the operating system. It's work like a manager in the hotel. As a manager, without manager a hotel cannot be run. So in the in a system, without operating system computer is not gonna run. So, and what is the main thing? Application program usually required an operating system. Okay, as I already tell you, his name is system software also. इसका नाम system software भी है. तो इसके लिए सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर जो है, एप्लीकेशन प्रोग्राम को सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर बहुत जरूरी है. बिना सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर के एप्लीकेशन प्रोग्राम नहीं चलेगा. एप्लीकेशन प्रोग्राम क्या होता है? ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम को छोड़कर जो भी सॉफ्टवेयर हम इस अपने कंप्यूटर में यूज़ कर रहे हैं वो एप्लीकेशन प्रोग्राम. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल पेंट, MS वर्ड, पावर पॉइंट, एक्सेल, ऑल द थिंग्स जो भी हम यूज़ कर रहे हैं वो एक एप्लीकेशन प्रोग्राम है. सो start menu. Windows 10 give us a very interactive start menu where we have the two panes. हम लोग के पास दो पैनल्स होते हैं. First one is this one where we have our application and the second one is the live tiles. Live tiles why? Because it's a working tile. हम किसी भी टैब पे अगर क्लिक करते हैं, किसी भी बटन पे क्लिक करते हैं तो क्या होता है कि वो हमको वहाँ पे लाइव टाइल्स मिलते हैं. I will give you an example of this one after this video. In this video we can also resize, रीऑर्गेनाइज एंड द कस्टमाइज आवर लाइव टाइल्स. हम लोग अपने अपने जो लाइव टाइल्स है उसको कस्टमाइज कर सकते हैं, रिसाइज कर सकते हैं और रीअरेंज भी कर सकते हैं. ओके, कस्टमाइज मीन्स हम उससे जो चाहे वो ओपन करा सकते हैं, रिसाइज मतलब बड़ा छोटा कर सकते हैं और रीऑर्गेनाइज फिर से उसको अपने हिसाब से लगा सकते हैं. देयर इज सम सिस्टम रिक्वायरमेंट विच वी वांट्स टू नीड फॉर पुटिंग Windows 10 in our PC. So we want a 1 GHz processor. It's very commonly used. RAM 1 GB for 32 bits and hardware 16 GB. We must need the 16 GB free space for inserting Windows 10 in our PC. Graphics card we need. Okay, now we want to move forward in this chapter and wants to learn some other things. So as in your screen which is the moving like a arrow, it's a cursor. What it is? It is a cursor which moving on the screen right now, and the small pictures which you see on your screen, for example this one is an icon, this one is an icon. Everything on the first screen you are seeing is are the icon. जो भी चीज़ आप इस फर्स्ट स्क्रीन पे देख रहे हैं वो सब एक आइकन है. ओके, and every icon is for a special work. For example, I am clicking on this icon. So this is the icon for computer. When I click on this one, my computer is on. So this is a type of icon for work, any type of work. Okay, now the second thing, what is a shortcut? So look, there is a sign of shortcut. This sign shows us this is the shortcut of any folder or any program. For example, this one is the shortcut of Zoom which we are using for a study. As you see, this is the Zoom shortcut. So this is the type of shortcut. Now I promise you to show you the live tiles. So I am showing you the live tiles. Okay, these are the live tiles. Okay, these are the live tiles which we use for doing any type of work. For example, I want to open the paint program or I want to open the this program. Okay, this is also a live tiles. I am clicking on it and our program is going to be started. It is also known as live tiles. Now we move forward in this chapter and show how to change the desktop background. For changing the desktop background, there is a two way. First is a simple way. Go in any program or any pictures, go in any pictures. Actually I am going in a pictures. Okay, not on this one. I'm gonna any picture, I'm going to here, and there is so many photos are here. So I'm choosing any picture. Simply right click on the picture, go to the set as desktop background. Now you see the picture is on our background. But if there is a some other way also for saying so or set the desktop background, for this one you also click the right mouse button in the blank area of the desktop. आपको blank area जो है desktop पे वहाँ पे right mouse button दबाना है. Personalize, go in a personalize option में जाना है, and you can choose any one of them from here for choose your background. मैं इसको choose करता हूँ. I want to click on this one. Now we see our background is changed or not. So you see our background is changed. So this is the way how can we create a desktop background. Now the last point is screensaver. How can we change the screensaver, and what is the screensaver? Screensaver is when we leave our computer for the ideal period. एक निश्चित समय के लिए अगर हम अपने कंप्यूटर को खाली छोड़ते हैं, कोई काम नहीं करते, चालू रखा है, तो उस समय बैटरी बचाने के लिए या फिर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी सेव करने के लिए एक स्क्रीन सेवर और एक अलग तरह का सेवर, एक अलग तरह का स्क्रीन हमारे कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन पे चलने लगता है. वो कैसे हम लोग सेट कर पाएंगे, चलिए देखते हैं. फॉर डूइंग द स्क्रीन सेवर, राइट क्लिक on a blank area, go in a personalize option again. Okay, choose the screensaver option. There is the screensaver option. I am choosing the screensaver option, and choose any type of screensaver from here. I am choosing a bubbles. You can choose any one of them. I am choosing bubble. If you want to see the preview, I also want to see the preview. So this is the preview. Okay, and if you want to select this one, then click on the apply option and then click on the OK option. Now the screensaver is saved. So when we leave our PC for the 1 minute for idle period, then it comes on your screen like a bubbles and it saves the electricity. Now thank you for watching this video, and I hope you all understand what I want to teach you in this video.